I don't even have to use the shotgun. Oh. Even drop it straight in? Nope. Nope. Untactical. Nope, nothing. Nope. Throws this. Oh! Oh my god, I did it. Oh, that was cool. I'm using these Winchesters, these PDX ones. Okay. They got pellets and they got the slug. So this is how they kind of travel together. I shot it earlier on a single doors. They stay, you know, close together and they travel together. Let me see a better picture. That's how they're stacked up. And I hear these are kind of popular, the PDX ones. I think I spent close to, they were like $17, $18, $20 or something like that. For clear. Oh, you can't handle a little of a punch? No, I can't. That thing hurts. All right. So, as you can see, bigger holes on that one. This is our over there. The slug right in the middle made the big hole. That's that, the first door. Second door. Third, oh no, sorry. Yeah, second door still, exit. Entry on the third door. Exit on the third door. Entry on the, some of them are starting to move around, but I think that was our pellets right over here. But it entered the fourth door. Exit the fourth door. One right there, one right there. And that's the slug that is moving. So, oh, here's one of our, these are some of our pellets that are stuck over here. There's that. And another one. The pellets are not making it at the, on the fifth door. This door is a little bit heavier. Here's another one. It's stuck. Slugs keep going straight. Let me see if I can see it from here. So there's that. Fourth door, fifth door, just made a hole right over here. Exit. It did enter that one, our 50-pound door. That's our sixth door. Exit right over there. Entered our seventh door. Nice hole right by this viewfinder thing here. They made it through the seventh door. Now keep in mind, these are the slugs that are coming in. Okay? And there's our... Did it make it through? Okay. Finally, let me see this. Okay, one of the slugs. It's here. This is one of the slugs out of the shotgun. Okay, this one fell off right over here. It didn't make it through. So there's our slug coming out, one of them. Made a huge hole. Look at my hand. All right, there you have it. Our 8 doors. I hope you guys enjoy that. Give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave in comments below what you guys want me to shoot next. Thank you for watching, and God bless America.